Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design simple part like this in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks and here we use millimeter unit, so ensure select in millimeter. And we can see again for this drawing. Here is top view. We start draw from here. So right click on top plane, just click sketch. Now in the center have a half of circle diameter radius in 35, so just make circle from this center here, radius in 35, so diameter in 70 millimeter. Set circle diameter in 70 millimeter, and here we can see have a slot, so just make 3-point arc slot. Draw from here to here like this. Ensure this point, click Ctrl and click this point, just click make horizontal, and this point click Ctrl and click this center, just click make horizontal. So then we can to make a center line to connect this to this center to this point like this. Now we can to set for distance this center to this slot have distance in 90 millimeter. So click this point and click shift on your keyboard and click this line on the arc of slot, set in 90 millimeter for distance like this. Then we can to set for angle slot in 30 degree. So this center line to this center line set in 30 degree for angle, and radius here in 20. Okay, and here this have radius in 70, so set it here in 70 for radius like this. So ensure you make sketch like this, and we can to offset to make inner slot like this, radius in here in 10.5. So we can just click offset entities, because the radius out slot in here radius 20, so we can offset in 9.5 like this, because 20 minus 9.5 is 10.5. Just click this slot and click reverse direction to inside and just click OK. Now we can check this have radius in 10.5 millimeter. It's correct. It's easy. Now we can to make line from this point here to this and click A on your keyboard, this to this slot like this. Ensure this line, click Ctrl and click this circle, just click make tangent and set for radius in here. In here circle, outer circle have diameter in 20, so radius in here in 10 millimeter like this. This point click make tangent and this point click make tangent. Now draw circle in here, circle. Diameter in 12.5 millimeter. We can check for distance this point to this in 90 millimeter. It's correct here in 90 millimeter, and this to this center line, sorry, can set this to this in 70 like this. Okay, after we make scale like this, here is symmetric or is same sketch like this, identical. So we just to use mirror entities, entities to mirror, just select this line, this arc, this line, and this circle. Mirror about, just select this center line. Click OK and done. Now we can do trim entities for this. like this. Easy. And we can to make circle again to this point to this point, draw this to this. Automatically here diameter in 20 and here in 20 for diameter, like this. We can see here and here have some thickness in 14, and in mid in here have thickness in 8 millimeter. So we can to before set here, don't forget to set for distance here to here in 40, this center to this center in 40 millimeter. Forget this point to this set in 40 millimeter, like this. Like this. We can check again this to this automatically in 110 enter. It's easy, it's correct. After we make sketch like this, just select feature and click extrude boss or base. Now for direction, change in midplane for symmetry part, and input thickness in here deep in 14 millimeter, because here in 14 and here is 14. So selected contour, just select this sketch, and this sketch. 14 and direction in midplane, just click OK. Now select again on sketch 1 and click extrude boss or base again. Direction in midplane, but here this sketch have thickness in 8 millimeter. So I would in here in 8 millimeter and selected contour, just select this sketch. Just click OK and done. Okay, we can to make sketch like this here. Distance for this face in 8 millimeter, so we must to make new plane from here. Click reference geometry and just click plane. First reference, select this face. Reverse direction to here. So just click flip offset. Offset distance in 8 millimeter. Because this is in 8 millimeter, just click OK. Now we have new plane. The name is plane 1 in here. Right click on plane 1. Just click sketch. Can rotate from here. Now we can to draw line again from this edge to top and click A on your keyboard. Click here and click this. Make sketch like this. Ensure this point click make tangent and this point click make tangent. Set for distance here. This center to this edge have distance in 65.5 millimeter. This center to this edge in 65.5 millimeter. And this point to this edge have distance in 42 millimeter. And here have radius, because outer diameter in here in 25, so radius in here in 12.5 millimeter, like this. And draw circle here to here and draw circle again. We can click sketch. Here inner hole have diameter in 12.5 millimeter, like this. Okay. After we make sketch like this and input all dimension or distance like this, just select feature and click extrude boss or base. Direction in here we can do reverse direction, but we can change in blind. Reverse direction to here. Can see direction to here. Can reverse like this. And for here in 12 millimeter for thickness this sketch, so input here in 12 millimeter, selected contour, just select this sketch. Click OK and click again on sketch 2. Click extrude boss or base. Direction we can reverse direction in here. Total thickness in here in 15. So here in 15 millimeter. Just select this sketch. Click OK. And don't forget to hide for this plane. Right click and click hide. And here a fillet radius in 3 meter and 3 millimeter for this edge, and this edge. So just select fillet and set radius in 3 millimeter. Select this edge, this edge, this edge, and select this edge and this edge like this. Just click OK and done. It's so easy. We can to change for color. Select all feature and click this icon. Maybe this part have yellow color and click again icon. We can to change for face in white for hole, this hole, this hole, this hole, this slot, hole of slot like this. Just click OK and done. It's easy and simple to make parts like this in SolidWorks. It's perfect for exercise beginner to make part like this. I think that's enough. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching until the end video and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.